Hi friends, this video we are going to solve this problem. So our problem is I want to find the bilinear transformation which maps minus 1 to minus I, plus 1 to minus 1, infinity to I. So I want to find the bilinear transform. What is the bilinear transformation is T of Ez equal to AEz plus B divided by CEz plus D. So this is our bilinear transformation. So we know the result. Any bilinear transformation preserves cross ratio. So we are using the result is bilinear transformation preserves cross ratio. So we are going to use that result only. So that meaning is the first point is Ez is mapped to W I want to assume. So then Ez comma minus 1 plus 1 and infinite, it's mapped to W minus I minus 1 and plus I. So the cross ratio formula we know that. What is the cross ratio formula? So Ez1, Ez2, Ez3, Ez4, the cross ratio formula is if none of is not infinite, then all are distinct points, then Ez1 minus Ez3 times Ez2 minus Ez4 divided by Z1 minus Z4 times Z2 minus Z3. So this, so any one of this infinite, those terms will not be in the appear. So using this one, so we get it as Ez minus 1 minus infinity, those terms will not be appear because of the infinity is there, means you just remove it. So divided by Z minus infinite, so those terms will not be there, minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 equal to W plus 1 times minus I. So minus I minus of plus I, so minus I divided by W minus I. 1 minus I will come because minus I plus 1 will come. So I write it as a 1 minus I. So I simply now I multiply, I want to represent W equal to in terms of Z I want to represent. So you simply multiply Z minus 1 equal to, this is minus 2, here is 2I. So minus 4I. So 4I W plus 4I. So this denominator is multiplied by W minus IW minus I minus 1, if you are multiply we get it. So this implies Ez minus 1 times W minus IW minus I minus 1 equal to 4IW plus 4I. So if you are getting this result in terms of W, we will get it as W equal to I plus 1 times Ez plus 3I minus 1 divided by 1 minus I times Ez minus 3I minus 1. So this is our required bilinear transformation. So any 3 points given means we find the bilinear transformation, we are going to use this result only. What is the result is any bilinear transformation preserves the cross ratio. So then you can write it as these points like that. Thank you for watching this video.